Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to adjust the real-time clock, or RTC, of your controller. Under the special variables section, which is this one right here, we have access to the system time variables. This includes the day of the month, year, hours, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds. These variables can be used directly in your application whenever date and time information is required. However, for them to work correctly, the controller's clock must be properly configured. As we can see, the current date shown by the controller is 3rd of June 2026. And to adjust the clock, it is very important that you are logged into the PLC and that the PLC is in run mode. Once those conditions are met, go to the online menu, then clock settings. From this window, you can set the date and time manually. So for example, I can choose a specific date and time, such as 1st of January 2000, then click Write to PLC. Let's do that right now. And as soon as you do that, the controller's clock is updated and we can see that the date has changed to 1st January 2000. Another option is to copy the current date and time directly from your computer to the PLC. For example, if my computer is currently showing 3rd of June 2026, I can simply select that option right here, computer date and time, and click Write to PLC. And as you can see, the PLC immediately updates its clock to match the computer's date and time. And that's it. The controller's real-time clock has now been adjusted correctly, and all of the system time and variables in your application will reflect the updated date and time information. That's it for this video, and I see you on the next one.